I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by washing hands and laying a microfiber towel on a flat surface. Clean lenses to see attachment points clearly. You identify whether the lens is held by a tiny hinge screw, push-fit tabs, or a snap-in groove. This determines the approach. Once done, position the frame face down and stabilize the temple. Make sure to use the correct small screwdriver or a suction cup for push-fit lenses. These choices prevent scratches and give you controlled leverage so the lens moves. You now perform the controlled removal step by step. If it's screw-held, loosen only about 1/8 turn and lift the lens out toward the open hinge. Collect the screw immediately so it does not get lost. If it's push-fit, attach a small suction cup to the center, pull outward while supporting the frame with your other hand, and the lens will pop free. If it's snap-in, flex the frame slightly at the bridge and pry the lens edge gently. This prevents frame warping and maintains alignment. You finish by cleaning the lens seat and replacing any gasket or the small screw before reassembly. This preserves fit and prevents rattling. Once you press the lens back in, make sure it seats evenly with light, uniform pressure and there are no visible gaps. Lenses should click or align into the groove. If the lens resists, apply gentle warm air to soften acetate frames, heat for a few seconds, then try again. If you still struggle, stop and seek a professional to avoid cracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.